log in or register to the WeTV app. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can log in or register to the WeTV app, and you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store, and on the search bar you have to search for the WeTV. Once you have searched for the WeTV, if you haven't downloaded the WeTV on your device, you have to install this on your device. After that, you have to open up this app here. Once you have opened up this app, the interface will be loaded here. And on the bottom there you can see the account option. You have to simply click on that. And if you want to log in or register to your account and go for the login option here, you have to simply go for the login. So you can log in with your phone or email here, and you can connect with the Facebook, Google or Line account. Go and connect with the some of the social medias that you want here, and you have to follow the on screen instructions. So with the help of that process, you can easily log in or register to your account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.